So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to graph these. X greater than 0. Remember, that's a vertical line. And it shades to the right. Y greater than or equal to 0 is a horizontal line. So it basically just locks it. It has to be in this first quadrant. It has to be in the first quadrant. Okay? So like that shaded, that shaded. X plus 2y is less than or equal to 5. I'm going to show you how fast you could do this. How do I find the x-intercept? Make y equal 0. Or just cover up y. If I cover up y, what's the x-intercept going to be? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then to find the y-intercept, you can just cover up x. So if I cover up x, what's the y-intercept going to be? 5 halves, 2.5. You see how fast you could do that? I don't know. I think that's cool, but not that cool. I'll write it down. X-intercept. You don't have to write this down. I was just showing you how fast you could do this. This is why I like the intercept method. And I'll pause after I do this. So the y-intercept, make x equals 0. So 0 plus 2y equals 5. 5 by 2. The y-intercept's 5 halves. So you just plot those. I don't know if I should do the shading now or later. I might wait on the shading for a moment. Actually, I might wait on the shaded. I don't know if that's a good thing or not. Let's do it. I need to have room to plot those things too. Watch y'all do this in your head fast. Okay, I'll pause. I might need to do slope intercept on this one because I need to subtract 2. Y is greater than or equal to x minus 2. So it starts down here at negative 2. It goes up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. So the x-intercept's 2. Up 1 over 1. Is that going to hit it right there? Now, it's not going to, remember, it can't go, it won't be able to go below the x-axis because of this one constraint. So, but it could go here. I guess it goes here and out. I mean, you could draw an arrow, but we know we're not going to need it beyond here, though. Now I got to figure out the shading. So let's figure out the shading. Let's do 0, 0. Is 0 plus 2 times 0, is that less than or equal to 5? Is 0 less than or equal to 5? Is that true? That's true. So the first one's going to be shaded down towards 0, 0. What about the next one? Yeah. 0 greater than or equal to 0 minus 2. Is 0 greater than or equal to negative 2? True. So it's going to be shaded towards 0, 0. So do you see my shaded region is going to be right here? There's my shaded region. So now I got to identify the vertices. What are my vertices here? I got to start with 0, 0. I'm going to have to box this out. What's another vertex I have? 0, 2.5. Now, the problem with 0, negative 2 is it doesn't go below there because it's y is greater than or equal to 0. So that keeps it above. These two keep it in the first quadrant. That's all right. These two keep it in the first quadrant. So it's got to be above here and to the right of that one. We've got this one, which is 2, 0. We've got this one, which is 3, 1. So those are my 4 vertices. Okay. And what do we do with those points? I don't think it's hard. Plug them in the objective function or the objective function. So z equals 2 times 0 plus 0, so that's 0. Z equals 2 times 0 plus 2.5. 2.5. Z equals 2 times 2 plus 0, so Z equals 4. And then Z equals, I'm just doing this quickly, get my hand out of the way. 2 times 3 plus 1, which is 6, which is 7. 6, 7, got him. So this one will be, the maximum will be right here. The maximum value is 7, and it occurs at 3